I'm in the middle of an ARM project now, and I said to myself, why not ask my good friend the Copilot some thumb instruction set questions and see what it comes up with. So far, it's been an unmitigated, bottomless well of disaster. But give it a chance, you know. And so it very, very helpfully decides to suggest to show me the smallest possible thumb loop to copy bytes. So I said, why not? Let's see. And apparently, this is the exquisite byte copy loop that every democoder and firmware hacker eventually converges on. So that sounds great. We're getting the deep gems of knowledge here. Let's see what it comes up with. So apparently this is the smallest thumb byte copy loop, and it's 6 bytes total. Although apparently it's really 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bytes. So, no, there it goes. So it's 12 bytes, not 6 bytes total. But all right. I can live with that. It loads. I mean it's a reasonable loop. It loads something into R2, stores to the destination, increments the pointers, decrements the byte count, and loops back. So that's fine. But we can do better. That's what it says. So let's see what's better than that. Okay, so this is now here it comes with the optimized minimal loop, which is 8 bytes in total, where we can fold the pointer increments into the addressing mode by using the register offset loads and stores. So that's a good idea. Let's see that. Let's see the 8 bytes total. Wait, that's not 8 bytes. That's also 12 bytes, and it's actually the exact same code as above. It loads from one pointer to the register, stores to the other pointer, increments the pointer, subtracts the value, and loops the count value and loops back. It's the exact same code. But okay, let's see. Maybe it did a mistake. It had a brain fart. the LLM had a brain fart. So let's see what comes out later. Okay, so this is the true smallest byte copy loop, which is 6 byte, but it's again the exact same code. It's so far it's shown me the exact same code 3 times, every time claiming that this one is the best one, the better one than the previous code. But let's see. It has some more aces up its sleeve, so we can compress the pointer increments even more by using a register offset addressing. Let's see that. That should be good. It's the exact same code. It's not 6. This is not 6 bytes. This is the exact same code that you given me previously. Okay, but look, so far it's been a disaster. But now we're getting the absolute smallest thumb 1 byte copy loop, which is 4 bytes. It's 4 bytes. This is look at this. This is the Demoscene grade. This is the Demoscene grade minimal loop. We're getting the good stuff now. It's the same code. It's giving me the same code again 5 times. But look, this wasn't it. This was just a reminder. This was just a reminder about what came previously. But this is the true minimal loop. Are you ready for the true minimal loop? It's the same code again. I don't know what I expected. It's the same code. It's given me so far. Oh my god! It's also claiming it can give me the fastest version because this was the smallest. And apparently it was the smallest because it couldn't give me anything smaller than this. It gave me the exact same code. How many? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times. It gave me the exact same code 6 times. I'm truly terrified about quote unquote AI taking our jobs anytime now. It's coming. I swear it's coming.